There we go. Anyways, it's currently 9:10.
Me too.
What, me?
Yeah, that's you. That's right. We're running extremely late because this thing started at 9. It's about an hour and 40 minutes away. It's actually Cole's first time.
I go that way.
All right, I'm going, bud. It's about Cole's first time ever going to a car show that I can think of, or one that he'll at least know that he's at. So we're gonna kind of vlog, I guess, from his perspective, on top of you know, obviously seeing what cars are out there. So Broke East Meet, here we come. So we're actually here. They just said it's gonna be an hour wait to get in. So Courtney's planning she has to piss herself, and I probably have to change Cole. So since it's an hour wait anyways, I might as well just knock that out now. It's already 11 o'clock. We probably won't even get in there until about 12:20 maybe. Just wait. Hey, you see the cars?
Cheese. I'll get down.
Alright, so we made it. It took about 2 hours to get in. It's technically, considering this color for the Eclipse, if I wrapped it, if you ask me. What do you think? What do you think so far? You like the cars? You like the cars?
Yeah, cars.
Yeah, a lot of cars.
Yeah.
Those are the odd Hans that I wanted for the Eclipse.
Is that part of it already microfiber?
Yeah.
Carbon fiber? Next Z engine. Holy hell. I definitely should have brought a stroller or something. I wasn't expecting him to fall asleep so fast. Let's see what's actually inside while we're at it. If he wasn't asleep, he'd love it. Like, it's terrible. Right there. Just show him when he wakes up. Right now, Cole's tired, right? You tired? He doesn't want to talk. He just threw my camera, so he's in a little trouble. It's super windy right here. Well, he's tired. I'm just gonna let him rest up a little bit to cover, and I honestly am not gonna cover all of it. But it's nice to see all these cars. I think definitely a lot of inspiration out there. So look who's awake. Who's that? Who do you see? Vader and who?
Man, what do you want? My queen, man. Come on, go. Dad, come on.
I'm going. Go ahead. You want to go say hi to McQueen?
Go see McQueen.
Go see McQueen first.
Come on.
Go this.
Say hi, Lightning. Whoa.
See right there.
You like this one?
How's the breathing this shit?
Show me. Which one you like? You like this one? This are 20 CR.
This one.
Booty Patrol. So it's safe to say that Cole is all car meted out. Being grumpy now, aren't you?
I'm going down.
Go ahead, go to the car. Go, go, go. Yeah, so he's out of it. Definitely. Hopefully I got a good enough amount of like content and things like that. So I'm gonna take this 2-hour drive home, probably stop somewhere to eat, and then edit this all up. Stay tuned.
What's poppin'?